Gabi na dito. Pagod ako galing work. Pero naaliw ako dito sa isang video na to. Nawala yung antok ko. Nawala yung pagod ko. It was really something na pampag-good vibes, kumbaga. It's a behind-the-scene video clip. I think they're making a commercial. They're shooting for a commercial dito na hindi ko na inalam kung anong commercial. Walang nakalagay at hindi na ako nag-imbestiga pa kung ano ito. Basta ako'y naaliw, nag-enjoy ng husto, napasayaw, napakembot ng konti, pampadagdag ng himbing sa pagtulog. O baka hindi ako makatulog at yumugyog na lang ako ng yumugyog. So panoorin nyo. I'd like to share this with you. Dinampot ko lang tong video ito. And eto ang name nung kumuha ng video. Thanks to this video. And have fun watching it. This is Alden Richards and Maine Mendoza dancing to the tune of Hari ng Sablay. Of all the songs that they can dance to. Pero okay naman. Pero okay talaga. Match talaga sila. Especially sa mga ganitong eksena. They remind me of Maricel Soriano and William Martinez back in the 1980s. And as how Teddy Locsin Jr. has described Maine Mendoza nung nireview niya yung Imagine You and Me, para talaga siyang si Jennifer Aniston kung mag-aarte-arte. No. Everything becomes light, everything seems easier. The environment looks brighter and glowing and dazzling kapag umaariba na sila. And that's their distinct trait as a couple na nakakamagnet sa mga fans. And I don't care anymore if they are really in love with each other. All I care about is this strong chemistry that they project, that they have, na talaga namang nakakaaliw panoorin. Nakakaaliw abangan. Nakaka-excite abangan. Lagi ang kanilang mga proyekto as a team. Okay, watch mo na. Go! Alright, so thank you very much for watching and thank you very much for dancing. Alam ko yung iba sa inyo ay nakiindak habang sila'y umiindak. And this is your friend Romado saying arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you. Please subscribe and good night. Bye.
Ko ang hari ng sablay, ko ang hari ng sablay, ko ang